Hey everybody, welcome to Success Tuning. Today we're going to go over the top 10 ways to make money as a teenager. Remember to subscribe to our channel so we can help you in your success journey. Make sure to watch until number 1 because it's one of the most lucrative ways on how you can make money as a teenager. Number 10. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a porta. You'll be paid in Swagbucks points, shortened to SBs, which can then be redeemed for gift cards or cash. The gift cards they offer come from over 1,500 retailers, including Amazon, iTunes, Curry's PC Worlds, and Tesco. The easiest way to start earning is to switch your default search engine to Swagbucks rather than Google or Bing. You'll automatically start racking up points just for surfing the web like you normally do, but using their browser instead. You can expect to tot up around 10 to 20 SB points for every 10 to 20 searches, but the final total will depend on the search queries. After 6 months of everyday searching, this can equate to around 300 pounds. Filling out a few short surveys each day through Swagbucks can be a real nice little earner. They usually take between 3 to 20 minutes to complete, and you'll earn around 40 to 100 SBs depending on the survey. Number 9. Mistplay app. Mistplay is developed by mobile gaming companies for people who love playing video games. They get a chance to earn some money doing what they'd enjoy doing for free. Various competitions will pay varying amounts and will need different requirements to allow you to earn points. Some of the main requirements include achieving a certain level in the game or playing the game for a specific period. While you're playing the game, you'll also be getting points, known as units. These are only received when you're actively playing the video game. What this implies is that you won't make it just by leaving the app on. You must play the game for you to earn the points. People make between 20 and 200 points for every gaming session. You'll get $5 for every 1,500 points you achieve. You can also make some money through the Mistplay referral program. The program offers 50 points for every referral you make. That means it can make it easier for you to get your 1,500 points or $5 by referring people who join the program using your unique app affiliate code. Number 8. Survey Junkie. Survey Junkie is an online survey company that pays users to take surveys for various companies. By completing surveys, you can earn anywhere from 20 cents to $3.50. The surveys are typically for various types of consumer goods. Completing a survey may take anywhere from 2 minutes to 30 minutes. Shorter surveys tend to be worth less money. You can also earn money by completing various tasks for Survey Junkie. For example, completing a profile, validating an email address, and installing a browser. You can also become a candidate for focus groups where you can earn $50 to $100 per hour. Number 7. Start a YouTube channel. Several teens, and even younger, have successful YouTube channels. Figure out your niche and what you're interested in and just try it out. As you create videos, you'll find your style. Once you have enough subscribers, you can add ads to your channel and/or affiliate methods that give you a kickback when people purchase products through your links. Need some ideas? How about how-to videos, movie reviews, or music reviews? Pick an area you excel in and start sharing your knowledge. While it can take a while to make money from your YouTube channel, it will eventually turn into passive income, earning you money when you're not even working on it. Many YouTube channels found and built their audiences first before launching their own merchandise. If you make money on YouTube, it's in your marketing plan. The first step is the same for everybody. Have a clear understanding of your target audience. Building your audience puts you in a great position to monetize content in a variety of different ways. Number 6. Freelancing. There are so many skills that businesses and people need help with, especially online. And yes, you can even help if you're a teen. Just be sure to know what you're doing and present yourself professionally. Here are some different skills you can develop: writing or copywriting, social media management, digital marketing, coding, bookkeeping, graphic design, or proofreading. Use these skills to start earning on Fiverr. It's a great platform for beginners. You can make $400 to $500 a month with these skills. It takes some effort to get started making money this way, but once you start and have some happy clients, you'll end up with more work than you ever dreamed of. Social media management is an especially looked-for skill these days. And hey, you're already on Instagram anyway, right? Number 5. Get a part-time job. Getting a part-time job is guaranteed money once you get hired. It might not be much fun working for someone else, but it'll teach you a lot. Plus, you'll most likely meet some cool people as well. Here are some options. Work in a restaurant. I was a dishwasher at 2 different restaurants in high school, and it was great because I got paid an hourly wage plus tips. The shifts were pretty late though, so that was a downside. Get a paper route. Not the most interesting job, but you can listen to music and essentially get paid to exercise. Deliver pizza. A classic teenager job, but you'll most likely need your license for this one. Work in retail. If you shop at a certain store a lot, why not try to get a job there? And grocery stores. Grocery stores are always looking for workers, so you've got a good chance of landing a job there if you apply. Number 4. Stream on Twitch TV. Twitch TV is a place where people live stream themselves playing video games and doing other things. As a streamer, you can earn money from ads, subscribers, donations, and more. Some of the most popular streamers earn thousands of dollars a month or more. For example, Ninja, one of the top streamers on Twitch, makes millions each year from the platform. And although building audiences on Twitch can take some time, if you stick with it and enjoy what you're doing, the payoff can be massive. Plus, who doesn't want to get paid to play games all day? Number 3. Babysitting. Babysitters are getting $10 an hour and up, often working in conditions that are much better than typical part-time jobs. You have to love kids, and it'll really help if you complete a CPR course. It's often as easy as just letting people in your neighborhood know that you're available to sit. Once the word gets around, you may have more babysitting gigs than you can handle. Find lots of work by promoting your services and assembling an impressive resume with good parent references. Practice interviewing so you'll get good at it. Earn qualifications and learn new skills. Negotiate for a good rate and take on more responsibilities and tasks so you can charge more per hour. At the higher levels, you'll have to go through a background check, but people who qualify can demand much higher rates than someone working without that level of verification. Number 2. Pet sit and dog walk. Love animals? Consider pet sitting and/or dog walking as a way to make money as a teen. Just be sure you're comfortable with pets. You'll get some exercise while having fun with animals. Lots of adults are looking for help with their pets while they're at work or on vacation. You may be able to just stop by their house to let the dog out or take it for a walk. Or you can pet sit at your house. Just be sure to ask your parents first. Cats and fish are super easy to pet sit, as you usually just need to feed them and maybe clean out a litter box or fish bowl on occasion. Dogs, on the other hand, usually need some more attention, as they need to be walked at least once a day. If you really plan things out and the dogs get along, you can walk multiple dogs at once to streamline the work. Number 1. Yard work. Just about everyone needs yard work, no matter the season. In the spring, you can plant seeds and scoop dog poop. In the summer, you can mow lawns and pull weeds. In the fall, you can rake leaves and paint fences. And in the winter, you can shovel snow and clear ice. To drum up work, ask your parents or neighbors and check out apps like Nextdoor to see if anyone's looking for help with their yard. Lots of adults are busy and don't have time to take care of their yard. So chances are good you can set your prices way under what a landscaping company charges, and you'll still make plenty of money. Starting your own lawn care yard work business is a great opportunity for younger teens who may not be able to get a part-time job yet. It offers a lot of flexibility as you can juggle clients around to their and your unique schedules. Set up a schedule and stay on top of things, and you'll get plenty of repeat customers and referrals. Well, that's the end of the video. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos of bringing success into your life and much more. I'll see you on the next video. Take care.